Did you know that landlocked Burkina Faso now has one of the fastest-growing militaries in West Africa? From rugged ground troops to advanced drones, the Burkina Faso armed forces are transforming fast. It all began in 1966, when the country's first president was overthrown in a military coup. Since then, the military has played a central role in Burkina Faso's politics and national identity. Decades of coups and transitions followed, with leaders like Thomas Sankara and today's President Ibrahim Traoré emerging from the military ranks. Today, Burkina Faso's armed forces include the Army, Air Force, National Gendarmerie, and the People's Militia, supported by over 45,000 conscripts. With backing from countries like China, Russia, and the United States, the military is modernizing quickly. Chinese armored vehicles, Russian Mi-35 attack helicopters, and training programs led by U.S. forces. Even drones have arrived, with Bayraktar TB2 and Akinci UAVs patrolling the skies. Meanwhile, the Air Force, once made up of aging cargo planes, now operates helicopters, surveillance aircraft, and tactical transports. At the Loumbila training camp, Czech and Polish instructors help shape elite counter-terror forces. Burkina Faso may be landlocked, but its military ambition is anything but contained. As the region faces growing threats, this small nation is rapidly becoming a defensive power to watch.